Top 7 drinks to stop proteinuria and restore kidney health. Kidneys are an important part of our human body. But did you know that about 850 million people worldwide suffer from kidney disease? 1 in 7 adults in the US is affected, but 90% don't even know it. The scary part? Kidney disease gives no early warning signs. But some changes in your body can give you a signal that your kidneys are about to fail. Are you constantly tired, dealing with swelling, or noticing too much protein in your urine? These could be warning signs your kidneys are in trouble. But don't worry, there's hope. You don't need expensive medicines or painful treatments to heal. Nature has already provided us with powerful, healing drinks that can restore kidney health and stop proteinuria fast. In this video, we'll reveal 7 scientifically supported and time-tested drinks that help flush toxins, reduce inflammation, and repair kidney damage naturally. Whether you're dealing with early signs of kidney trouble or managing chronic issues, these drinks can be your first step toward healing. And here's the best part. These are simple, delicious, and easy to prepare at home. Stay with us till the end, because drink number 1 is a true miracle for your kidneys, and most people have no idea it exists. Let's take charge of your kidney health, starting now. Before we get started, I'd love to know where you are joining me from today. Drop a comment below and feel free to ask any question you have, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a health-boosting tip from Healthcare One. Let's start counting from number 7. Cranberry juice. Cranberry juice is widely known for supporting urinary tract health, but it's also incredibly beneficial for protecting your kidneys, especially when you're dealing with proteinuria. Cranberries are rich in proanthocyanidins, powerful antioxidants that help prevent bacteria from sticking to the urinary tract lining. This reduces the risk of urinary infections, which often place added stress on your kidneys. Even more importantly, cranberry juice helps reduce inflammation in the kidneys and improves the filtering function of the glomeruli, the tiny filters that prevent protein from leaking into your urine. When you go to the market, make sure to choose 100% pure, unsweetened cranberry juice. The sweetened versions are loaded with sugar, which can harm your kidneys even more, especially if you have diabetes or high blood pressure. However, if you can add a cup of cranberry juice to your diet every day, you will notice a big change in your body. Simple, natural, and powerful, cranberry juice is one of the easiest ways to protect your kidneys, 1 glass at a time. Next, number 6. Ginger lemon tea. Did you know that something as simple as ginger lemon tea can play a powerful role in healing your kidneys and reducing protein in your urine? Let's dive deeper into how this soothing drink works. Ginger contains a bioactive compound called gingerol, which has strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Chronic inflammation is one of the root causes of proteinuria, as it damages the delicate nephrons in your kidneys, the microscopic filters that prevent protein from leaking into your urine. Ginger helps calm this inflammation, improves renal blood circulation, and enhances the kidney's natural filtration ability. Lemon, on the other hand, is rich in vitamin C and citric acid, which help detoxify the kidneys and maintain a healthy urine pH. This prevents stone formation and reduces the toxic burden on the kidneys, allowing them to heal and function better. Together, ginger and lemon create a synergy that supports kidney detox, reduces inflammation, and lowers proteinuria over time. Drink it daily. Boil fresh ginger, squeeze in lemon, and sip it warm on an empty stomach. This simple ritual could make a big difference in protecting and restoring your kidney health, naturally and deliciously. Number 5 on our list is beetroot juice. Beetroot juice isn't just a vibrant drink, it's a natural kidney healer. Packed with nitrates, it increases nitric oxide in the body, relaxing blood vessels, and boosting renal blood flow. This helps reduce glomerular pressure, the root cause of protein leakage in urine. A study in hypertension confirms that beet juice lowers blood pressure and protects kidney function by fighting inflammation and oxidative stress. But did you know that the benefits of beetroot juice don't end there? Beetroot juice also improves heart health, boosts stamina, enhances liver detox, and even supports brain function. However, caution is key. If you have kidney stones, low blood pressure, or iron overload, hemochromatosis, consult your doctor first. Beetroot is high in oxalates and iron, which may not suit everyone. Drink 1/2 to 1 cup of fresh beetroot juice daily. Simple, delicious, and a powerful step towards stronger kidneys and a healthier you. Number 4 on our list is the watermelon juice. Did you know that one of the sweetest fruits can be your kidney's best friend? Yes, we're talking about watermelon juice. Watermelon is over 90% water, making it a natural diuretic that helps flush out toxins, excess salt, and waste from the kidneys, lightening their load and reducing inflammation. This is crucial for people dealing with proteinuria, where damaged kidney filters leak protein into urine. Watermelon is also rich in citrulline, an amino acid that boosts nitric oxide production, improving blood flow to the kidneys and helping repair glomerular damage, the root cause of protein leakage. Its high antioxidant content, including lycopene and vitamin C, fights oxidative stress, one of the main triggers of kidney dysfunction. Drink 1 glass of fresh, unsweetened watermelon juice daily on an empty stomach for a refreshing, healing boost. It's not just delicious, it's a natural way to support your kidneys and stop protein loss gently and effectively. Number 3 on our list is turmeric milk. Imagine sipping on a warm, golden drink that not only soothes your body, but also heals your kidneys from deep within. That's exactly what turmeric milk, also known as golden milk, can do for you. This magical blend is powered by curcumin, the active compound in turmeric. Curcumin is a potent anti-inflammatory that targets kidney inflammation, one of the main causes of proteinuria. It helps protect your glomeruli, the tiny filters in your kidneys, preventing them from leaking protein into your urine. But that's not all. Turmeric also fights oxidative stress, improves circulation, and helps regenerate damaged kidney tissues. Combine it with warm plant-based milk like almond or oat milk and a pinch of black pepper, which boosts curcumin's absorption by 2,000%, and you've got a creamy, healing powerhouse. How to drink for best results. Warm a cup of milk, stir in 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric, a pinch of pepper, and a touch of honey if you like. Drink it before bed. It's more than just a drink. It's a ritual that soothes your body, calms your mind, and restores your kidneys while you sleep. Number 2. Aloe Vera Juice. When it comes to healing from the inside out, aloe vera juice is a quiet powerhouse. Often called the soother of nature, this hydrating, nutrient-rich drink can work wonders for your kidneys, especially if you're dealing with proteinuria. Aloe vera is packed with polysaccharides, vitamins, and anti-inflammatory compounds that help reduce kidney inflammation and oxidative stress, 2 major causes of protein leakage in the urine. It also supports liver detoxification and improves overall hydration, taking pressure off your kidneys and giving them the space to heal. But that's not all. It contains natural enzymes that support healthy digestion, which is closely tied to kidney function. How to take it? Choose pure, food-grade aloe vera juice. Drink 1/4 to 1/2 cup on an empty stomach in the morning or before meals. Add this refreshing, cooling juice to your daily routine and let your kidneys breathe, heal, and thrive. Finally, topping our list is the king of kidney health, pomegranate juice. This vibrant red juice is a true superfood for your kidneys and a game changer if you're struggling with proteinuria. What makes it so special? Pomegranate is loaded with polyphenol, especially ellagic acid and punicalagins, rare antioxidants that reduce inflammation in the kidney's filtration units, the glomeruli. When these filters are inflamed, they leak protein into the urine. Pomegranate helps calm that inflammation, sealing the leaks and protecting against further damage. It's also proven to lower blood pressure and reduce oxidative stress, 2 major factors that worsen kidney disease. Plus, its high potassium and vitamin C content support healthy fluid balance, immunity, and cellular repair. Clinical studies show that regular intake of pomegranate juice can slow the progression of chronic kidney disease, improve creatinine levels, and reduce urinary protein. How to enjoy it? Drink 1/2 cup of pure, unsweetened pomegranate juice daily, ideally in the morning on an empty stomach. Avoid blends with added sugar or preservatives. This isn't just a fruit juice, it's a therapeutic elixir for your kidneys. Nourish them with every sip. Thanks for watching.